Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mehdi Hassan and welcome to our channel again. So today I will describe about a IoT based grid monitoring system. In this system we use Blynk app with smartphone to monitoring our total system, and in this system we decorate here two sides or two grid 1, grid 2. We use here two current sensor, two LCD and two channel relay module, and here we used here a voltage sensor. We make here a frequency sensor, and this is a SMPS to make sure the power supply our total system. And this is to NodeMCU, and this NodeMCU will be connected with our Blynk app. We decorated here in two slot, system 1 and system 2. Now we will make sure the power supply for our total system. At that moment you say that all equipments will be turned on, and we need to take some while to make sure our Blynk app is online or offline. When it will be online, there is the output in our LCD display will be showed, and when it will be offline, there is no data will be shown in our LCD display. Now our both system are in online, so this is system on and load is on, so we can turn off this one, and then you see here that ampere is 0.21, and when it will be turned on again, it will be increase in 0.38. so we can check our system 2, it's 0.28 and voltage is 220 and 50 hertz is our frequency, and we can turn on or turn off. When it will be turned off, ampere will be shown in here 0.00, so we turn on it again and we get the ampere is 0.27. so in this way our total system will be worked here, and we use here a relay module that is used for controlling our two grids. And in this system, for each grid we use here a single ACS 712 that was current sensor, and we use here two LCD for each side or each grid, and voltage sensor will measure the total voltage of our system, and NodeMCU will be control our two grids in separately. So this is the output, so we can control our loads by using this switch and monitor our voltage, ampere and frequency also. So our total system is working here properly. We make this video only for showing the outputs of our grid system monitoring, and in this system you can add more and more grids like grid 1, grid 2, grid 3, grid 4 and more than as per your requirement also. So if you want to make this project, and then if you need any support from our side, then you can contact with us, we will help you. So if you like this video, then you can subscribe our channel and follow us in our Facebook page also, Engineers Butty Lab BD. So thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.